Jobs, positions that people do to earn money. Employed, when someone has a job. Unemployed, when someone doesn't have a job. Salary, the money a person is paid for doing a job. Workplace, the location where people go to do their jobs. Employee, a person who works for someone else. Employer, a person or company that hires people to work. Shift, the specific hours during which you work at a job. Career, a job that you do for a long time with opportunities for growth. Interview, a meeting where a person answers questions from a potential employer. Skills, abilities or knowledge needed for a job. Training, learning to do a job through practice or education. Promotion, moving up to a higher position in a job. Resume, a document that lists a person's work experience and skills. Retire, to stop working after reaching a certain age, usually when older. Can you spot the target words in these sentences? 1. I am looking for jobs in my city. 2. My brother is employed at a local restaurant. 3. She feels worried about being unemployed after graduation. 4. He got a new job with a higher salary. 5. My workplace is very close to my house. 6. The employee always arrives early to work. 7. The employer gives out bonuses at the end of the year. 8. I work the night shift at the hospital. 9. She is considering a career change to become a teacher. 10. He has an interview for a position next week. 11. I want to improve my language skills. 12. She is attending training sessions to learn new techniques. 13. He was excited to receive a promotion at work. 14. I need to update my resume before applying for jobs. 15. My mom will retire from her job this year.